this video I'm going to teach you how to set up your cable combs for the Corsair RM1000x 2024 version Psu ATX cable, the 24 pin. On the cable comb you will see two slots that only allow one cable through. So what we look for on the ATX end, which side has the one cable, and it's on the right hand side, so we know from that this is going that way, right on top. So let's start. Now if we were to bend this inside the PC, it looks something like that. Let's fit the cable comb top, up, down, right. There you have it, cable comb fitted. Now once this is inside the ATX case, now you can make it look nice coming down. Now I've fitted it here, but you can fit it wherever you want. You can move it forward, backward. But this is my preferred way of placing it into the computer case. And there you have it, folks. This is a setup for the ATX 24 pin. In this video, I'm going to put the cable combs to CPU and a PCIe connector. And the cable combs are there are four slots, assuming there's two for each piece. That's the type 4 connector goes into the power supply. And we are go to the PCI connector. Let's just mount it upright. See which way it's going to be. It's that way. Assuming that the cable is going to come underneath, or if you can have it cable coming up that way, you're going to have it coming above your GPU or below your GPU. Let's assume we're having it below the GPU. That's ready to mount it into the PCIe socket, and we're assuming the cable is going down. But if you're having a cable going upwards, you can always reverse that on the other side. And that's the PCIe done. Two cables to each side. Always put the top one through first and the second one last. Okay, now let's do the CPU one. CPU cable is similar, 8-pin. You don't have to mess about one of the 2 pins falling off. Okay, CPU assuming it's coming in from the back of the case, straight into the motherboard from the top left hand corner. Top to the top and the bottom cable. That's the bottom cable. Then we'll do the next top cable, then the next bottom cable. Next top cable, and then the next bottom cable. And there we have it. Then you can mount extra going down on the back of the PC case to make it look nice. I love this cable, it's so beautiful. This cable is so long it will fit, you won't even need any extensions. That's the good thing about the Corsair RM1000X. If you have a computer case, a mid-tower case, these are long enough to go all the way into your power supply. And that's it, folks. That's the end of the fitting video of the Corsair RM1000X. ATX CPU and PCIe cable comb filters. Really look nice. They're strong, they don't fall off, they come with the actual power supply.